The Sportbrake demonstrated typical Jaguar chassis prowess on asphalt snaking through northern Portugal's rolling landscapes. The XF steers with on-center alacrity and just the right amount of power assist. Brake-based torque vectoring helps this roughly 43 50-pounder turn in and hold a line, yet it also left the pads and rotors radiating heat and stink on a spirited but not exactly aggressive run. Body roll is controlled well enough that this wagon still has an edge on Jaguar's dynamically adept F-Pace crossover. We should mention that our European drive did tilt the playing field in the Jaguar's favor. Continental ContiSportContact 5P summer tires elevated the Sportbrake's lateral grip beyond what buyers will experience in the US, where Jaguar will fit only all-season tires on either 19 or 20-inch wheels. And Portugal's impeccably maintained roads offered few opportunities to evaluate impact harshness, so it'll take us getting one on our home turf, and its pockmarked pavement, to render final judgment in that regard.